bike check. The bike I'll be running in 2014 and 15, upcoming year. The frame is a Specialized Demo 8 2009. Suspension Fox front fork, Fox 40 RC2. Rear shock is a Fox DHX 5.0. Rims, rear rim is a Sun rim. Rear hub is a Shimano FM525 hub, 9-speed, 6-bolt disc, 35 9mm Q axle. Front hub, I don't really know. Front rim is a Alexis rim. Tires, Maxxis high rollers, 2.35 and 26 inch. Yeah, get some close up. Starting off with the rear, going rear to front. Yeah. Maxxis high roller tires. I'm running like 35 psi at the rear, like 30 psi at the front, so a little bit softer. You can see the Shimano M525. Sun ring, ditch witch, yeah, I don't know. SRAM, XO, rear derailleur, real nice and stiff. 9-speed, yeah, getting focus, yeah. Rear brake, Avid Elixir CR, 180 rotors. Saddle, it's a, I forgot the name of it, but it's not that, yeah, it's a skinny saddle. Thompson Elite. It's, yeah, you know what it means, what it is. Frame, Specialized Demo 8. I don't really know how to pronounce Truven. Yeah, Truven cranks. Pretty nice stiff cranks. Chain guard, chain protector, rear shock. Yeah. Get in focus. Come on. No. Yeah, well. Handlebar, race face Atlas Freeride in 800mm. Grips, fun grips. Change these grips because they're worn out. Yeah, probably see it. Again, Elix CR. Brakes, black ones, Fox. I've painted the crowns white. I don't know, I like the look of it. Mudguard, homemade mudguard. Yeah. Front hub. Some stickers. Fox, KTM, Pimpstar, Hollywood, 661, Pimpstar. Yeah, that's about it.